Hello there, it's me, Aline from Barz School. So today we are going to interview some students. Follow me. Hello there, can I get your name?
Sure, my name is Bana. And my name is Yara.
Bana, what is she like?
She is hardworking, cheerful, and a bit nervous.
Yaran, what is she like?
She's outgoing, generous, and talkative.
Thank you for your advice. Hello there.
Hello.
Can I get your name, please?
Yes, my name is Bara'a.
Bara'a, who is your role model?
My role models are my parents because they are hardworking. My mom's working around the house, and my dad is trying to bring home some money for his children, for me and my brother, for what we need, like food, clothes, and school supplies.
Thank you. And now we are at the cafeteria to interview another student. Hello there, can I get your name?
My name is Sidat.
Sidad, what do vegetables provide us with?
They provide us with mineral and fiber.
How can fiber help our body?
They help our digestive system.
Thank you. Hello there, can I get your name, please?
Yes, my name is Bilal.
Bilal, do you know any common illness?
Seasonal flu.
How can we protect ourselves?
Make sure to wash your hands regularly with soap and warm water.
Thank you. Hello there, can I get your name, please?
Hi, I'm Mila.
Mila, do you know any environment issues we need to address?
Climate change.
How can we deal with it?
We must reduce gas emissions and rely on renewable energies.
Thank you. Hello there, what's your name?
My name is Sarwar.
Sarwar, what is your favorite fictional place?
Well, I think it's Hogwarts from Harry Potter.
And why do you think that?
Well, probably because it's magical, mysterious, and exotic.
Thank you. And this is how we interview Barz students. Thank you for watching.